Hello guys, nagluluto ako ng aloe vera. Ayan, with coconut oil and olive oil also. Linagyan ko din siya ng ilang pirasong, ayan, yung gloves ba yan? Ayan guys, pampahealthy ng hair. Ayan guys, pampahealthy ng hair. Ayan, may pakinabang yung aloe vera ko guys, kasi marami akong aloe vera. Aloe vera with coconut oil and olive oil. Thanks for watching guys.